Hello everyone, my name is Handoyo and I am the CEO of Lyrid. We're an easy-to-use platform that removes frustrating obstacles and mundane tasks associated with building, deploying, and managing applications in the cloud. So as you're learning new programming language and algorithm concept, you want to focus your time in building and writing great codes and building beautiful applications. And not so much on the question on how do you run the code in the cloud, how do you make sure you pick the right cloud, the right services, or how to monitor the infrastructure. So we at Lyrid gives you a simple path to getting your application projects up and running fast without getting sidetracked by headaches of managing servers and infrastructures. Our platform have everything you need to do your best work to take care of the application cloud deployment. So you can save your time and focus on becoming a better developer. He always encourages experiments, learning, and prototyping new ideas using the languages that you love to use, and you can always get started for free with no credit card required. In this demo, we'll go through step by step on deploying your application to multiple public cloud using Lyrid Platform. To get started with our platform, you can first go to lyrid.io and click on the login button. Create a new account and sign up with your email address. And after your account is created, make sure to save your public and private key because it will be essential to edit and customize your applications later on. Once you finish with the account registration, there's a little bit more setup to start working with Lyrid Platform. First, you need to download our Lyrid command line client tool, DLC, or Lyrid client. Here's the link for the installation page in Lyrid documentation. Just click on the Lyrid client executable for Windows, Linux, or Mac, and follow a quick instruction at the documentation right here to get you started with the platform. Once the setup is complete, let's jump back into the application platform and log back into app.lyrid.io. The fastest way to get started with your project is to click this deploy button where you can choose which solutions or languages that you want to build your application on. For example, we can go to this basic tab and make a Node.js application. Then if you click Next and deploy the solution, it will run in our backend. We'll set up your environment and the skeleton code where you can further customize into your own solution. To give an overview on what's going on in the background at this moment, we are creating and deploying application where it gets broken down into different cloud providers, such as Lyrid Cloud, AWS, or Google, each with their own specification before we push our build into a respective cloud platform. We will then proxy each request between the cloud providers and the users. And after the code is deployed, you will then receive a link to the current web page of the solution. It'll take a moment, but just be patient. And now, if you want to edit the code, you can download it in a Here button. Once you get the code, you can edit it with your preferred IDE. and you can customize the backend code. And right here to the project specification that you're working on. Also, let's try to add another endpoint information into the API, into the code. And to submit the code back into Lyrid Platform, you can utilize LC client and call LC code submit, where it will provide an endpoint to your solution again. And let's check our new APIs there. And that's it. You have a fully working application that is served within our cloud. And additionally, you can manage this application within our platform in the application tab. And there's so much more to explore within the platform, so stay tuned. And if you want to learn more about our multi-cloud technology, feel free to follow us on social media and check out our blog on lyrid.io.